to continue it, I, for some reason, closed it, stopped my video, picking it back up. The take apart this thing here, piece here, just slides off this mirror harness component. Get it apart. Should just slide right off. There it goes, like that. So slides them out, and it separates the harness. And this one here runs up to the front. I'm sure it probably runs all my lights, probably the horn, front headlights, other probably capacitors or whatever else is up there. Probably alternator, and I don't know what else is up here. And then also for for the brakes. The other harness runs up to the other side. It runs to the distributor, run down, and let's see what else is there. Starter, fan. Looks like that's it on this side. So it just runs the fan and the starter. It goes inside here. That. And then the wipers. Very, 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 very simple. That's what I like about this car. Very easy. So that's it. Wipers, ignition, starter, and fan. And then the power coming into the car is here. So this is power cord for the starter, and then power into the vehicle goes in here. The hole here looks like there was no sealant between this hole for the firewall, so maybe we had some water leakage. Might explain a little bit of rust I had inside. And that's it. So I'm gonna stop this and then continue pulling these wires off.